In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop pages in Adobe Acrobat on both PC and Mac. Cropping pages is a fantastic way to focus on the important parts of your document, and it's easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have Adobe Acrobat open on your computer and then locate the PDF file that you'd like to crop. Simply open this file in Acrobat. This is your starting point, and the steps we'll cover will help you trim away any unnecessary sections of your document. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the top left of your screen and click on the option labeled Edit. By accessing this menu, you'll gain the tools necessary to modify your document pages. It's important to remember that the options we are using might appear slightly different if your version of Acrobat differs, but they'll generally be located in the same area. Next, find the section called Modify Page. Within this section, you'll see the option Crop Page. Go ahead and select it. This tool is going to be your best friend as you work through trimming down your PDF to exactly what you need. Cropping pages is particularly useful when you want to remove extraneous margins or even unwanted text or images from your document. Now, on the PDF page you're working with, click and drag your cursor to create a rectangle. This rectangle will outline the area of the document page that you wish to keep visible. Be deliberate as you draw this box, since everything within it is what will remain once the page is cropped. Once you've drawn your crop box, you'll need to double click inside it. Doing this will open the Set Page Boxes dialog. This dialog is where you'll confirm your cropping selections and apply them across your document. In the Set Page Boxes dialog, make sure to select all under the page range. This selection is crucial because it determines which pages in your PDF will adopt the new dimensions based on the crop box you've defined. This option usually ensures that your cropping applies consistently across the entire document, rather than just a single page. Finally, with your selections set, go ahead and click OK. This final step will apply the cropping changes to your document. You can now save your edited PDF, knowing it presents only the content that matters most. And there you have it, you've successfully cropped pages in Adobe Acrobat. With these simple steps, you can now manage your PDF documents more effectively, focusing on exactly what you need. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel confident applying these skills to your own projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.